Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can turn off keyboard vibration on a Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, we can open our settings application. And after we have opened our settings application, we can go to the sounds and vibration setting, this one. And here you need to select the system of vibration. Alright, and if you want to turn off the keyboard vibration, you just need to click on the toggle button. And now the vibration of my Samsung keyboard has been turned off. Alright guys, and that's how we can turn off the keyboard vibration on a Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.